Introducing the LoopX AI-powered Level 9 collision avoidance system, designed to prevent vehicle-related incidents through intelligent perception and intervention control. In the vehicle-to-person scenario, it detects pedestrians using multi-sensor fusion with cameras and LiDAR, accurately distinguishing between a warning event and a stop event by dynamically projecting the vehicle's path to determine whether the pedestrian is on or beside it. The system issues proactive visual and audible alerts, and if the operator does not respond, it automatically slows down and initiates a complete stop through an ISO 21815 compliant interface. In the vehicle-to-vehicle scenario, the system perceives another vehicle approaching, provides early warnings to maintain a safe distance, and automatically slows down before stopping at a designed distance to avoid a collision. In the vehicle-to-obstacle scenario, the LoopX system detects fixed objects such as tires left on the roadway, alerts the operator to take evasive action, and autonomously slows and stops the vehicle to prevent equipment damage. Together with LoopX, let's bring this next-generation collision avoidance technology to make mining operations safer and smarter.